Assalamu alaikum guys. Here is the proof on why everybody should be on Webtalk in order to learn English language by joining the classes of native and non-native teachers via technology via Webtalk. You can see on my screen here are some native speakers from USA who teach English on daily basis. It was about 8 hours continuously and I enjoyed it a lot. So we can learn English from other platforms as well. But what the new thing on Webtalk? The new thing on Webtalk is that we can just watch videos on other platforms, but on Webtalk we are able to share our opinions with them, and even we can have their opinion. Our knowledge will be increased if we continue doing this work. And there is not only one class, there are so many classes. We have unlimited opportunities to connect with natives and teachers from around the world. And what I pay to them? I don't pay anything to them. I just put an emoji and a comment on their post so that they can have a passive income from Webtalk. That's simple. We do post on Facebook. We put emojis, comments, and shares. What do we get from there? Nothing. But on Webtalk, every Webtalker is able to make money from there. From the very first day of joining the cash reward program. On Facebook, we spend millions of hours, but what we get from there? Nothing. I have been using Facebook since 2018, but I haven't got a single penny from there. Why? Because it doesn't share its revenue with its users. Webtalk shares 50% of its advertising revenue with all its users. So it's amazing. It's going to be in the place of Facebook. Here is teacher Tim, an American native speaker, and he is helping over 165 countries on Webtalk. He gives lessons on Zoom. Not only he, but also other teachers. Personally, me was invited by a native speaker in order to join her lectures. But now I join two classes daily by just leaving a comment and a like. We do the same work on Facebook, but we don't get any profit from there. We cannot learn English via Facebook, via Instagram, via YouTube. Okay, if we can learn English via YouTube, we can just watch the videos. How can we ask the question from them? We can never ask question from them. We just can watch the video at all. But on Webtalk, everybody is able to ask questions about anything. It's a golden opportunity for those who wants to who want to connect with natives, a direct connection with natives. So that's all about from my side. I personally have been using since my 2020, and I have got very much thing from there. Even today we had the discussion about 8 hours, and you can see the title, Unstoppable Web Talkers. Come and join. Ask your Webtalk questions. If you are new on Webtalk, you can join Webtalk Live in order to ask your queries. in order to support the people whom you invite on Webtalk. It's simple. Here is the same work that we do on Facebook. You can see that on this post he got 20 likes, 40 comments, 4 shares. That brings him money. That's simple. Just create 5 posts daily. You will be well paid. Here is the last class of teacher Grant, who is a specialist of teaching children. Here is teacher Grant and teacher Chris. That's amazing.